Alif for Allah, Ba for Bismillah, Ta for Taj, Sa for Summer, Jim for Jima, Kha for Hajj, Kha for Hamza, Dal for Durud, Zal for Zikr, Ra for Ramadan, Za for Zakat, Sin for Sunnah, Shin for Shahada, Swad for Som, Zod for Zaif, Toy for Tawaf, Zoy for Zohar, Ain for Adal, Wain for Ghani, Fe for Falah, Qaf for Quran, Kaf for Kitab, Mim for Muhammad Sallallahu, Nun for Nabi, Waw for Wadu, Ha for Hidayah, Ya for Yom, Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya. Hey kids, hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.